Hi, it's Tracy from the Williston in Harbor Landing, and I am here with Marilyn and Norma, my two favorite people, and we are so excited. We are going to the Williston build site.
Right, yes. Every time we go there, there's so much that's been done.
It's so exciting to be able to see the progress, and I know because I drove by this morning, and I'm super pumped for the Cabernet on the 4th floor to be going up.
Oh, yes.
Cabernet, my favorites.
Mine too.
Yeah.
Our favorite.
Oh, you're gonna share. You gotta share the favorite, right? Absolutely. Holy man, ladies, the progress at Williston is amazing.
Wasn't that
Oh,
incredible?
it's just unreal how much has been done since we looked at it last week. Yeah.
It looks so good.
Oh.
It's gonna be excellent.
And we still haven't found that darn crane operator.
No. Well, I think that's because he's in the restricted area.
I know, we'll have to get in there and talk to those boys and figure out where is that crane operator. It's kind of like, where's Waldo?
Yes, it is.
A very good point.
But I'm gonna let you in on a secret. I have some sources, and my sources told me that they think that based on the size of that crane, it may actually be operated by remote control on the roof.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Yes,
there
because they
you
have
go.
a better vantage
Oh.
viewpoint.
Yeah.
So ladies, next time we talk to Wyatt, I'm gonna have to remember to ask him
Yes.
that question and
Yes.
really figure out Wyatt, Dave, whoever they let us talk
That's
to
right.
next time.
Sure.
But
Yeah.
we will find Waldo, yeah.